Hi, it's Hannah, and today I'm partnering with Ava Nails to show you how to get these faded French, aka baby boomer nails, using dip powders. So let's get started. First, I'm going to lightly buff the surface of my nails, then remove any excess oil and debris with a cotton pad and polish remover. Next, I'll be applying one layer of the Ava Nails base. I'll be using their white dip powder with a brush to sort of scoop it up and sprinkle it onto the nail. I'm mainly focusing on the tip to make sure it will be opaque, but I'm also lessening how much I apply as I move away from the tip for that ombre effect. Once I'm done with that, I'm going to take their natural pink dip powder and apply it over the entire nail. And then brush off the excess. I'll be doing this one more time, which worked for me to get the look I want, but you may need to do it a third time depending on how thick you apply the layers. Be sure to check out avanails.com for all the products I used in this video and more. And to get 10% off, use code BABY10. I'm going to apply the base one last time to add a full layer of clear dip powder, which will smooth out the nail and bring the look together a bit better. Next up is the activator, which will be applied over the entire nail. Then it's time to buff out the surface to smooth out any imperfections even more. And finally, I'm going to apply 2 layers of the Ava Nails top coat for a glossy finish. I waited 1 minute in between each layer. So that does it for this video. I hope you enjoyed it. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you later. Bye!